So Michael Jaafar, Jen Soto is very forthcoming in the longer police interview that we have been playing all day today. But if they can find that there's anything that she did perhaps in those first couple of days that did not allow police to more quickly get to Stephen Stearns, or just something that she perhaps didn't tell the truth about, do you think that would be enough for a charge in this case against the mother?
Well, of course, if they can find that, they could. But at the end of the day, here's what I believe happened, right? This Stephen Stearns kid, he took a wrong turn at the proper developmental stage as he was growing up that turned him into what he is now, a child pornographer, a monster, a person who is innocent until proven guilty, but he did this. Why do I bring that up now? Because it's conceivable that he charmed her and he pulled the wool over her eyes, because we watched an interview that he had with the police, and they obviously didn't let him go, where he was very charming, he was very convincing, and even the police obviously let him go. So it's conceivable that he pulled the wool over her eyes in such a deep fashion where she really did not know that he had anything to do with her. And also the fact that her daughter had a history of running away. I think all of those factors conspired to cause her to seem to be defending him in that time, because if they were to try to prosecute her, they know what her defense would be. He pulled the wool over my eyes like he did over everybody else. Why would I ever want him to do this? At the end of the day, if you're a well-adjusted mother, you're not letting your daughter sleep in the same bed as a person who's not her father. So she clearly is guilty of just CPS. If she had other, by the way, if she had other children, she would lose those children. She didn't have to be criminally charged. She would just lose those children, right? But at the end of the day, I think there's enough here for the prosecution to sit back and say, you know what, if we charge her and say that she was an accessory after the fact, she's going to have tons of things to create reasonable doubt, and we'd be just spinning our wheels. Let's just let her be a witness and put this monster away, because if in fact he did it, then at the end of the day we want to put him to death. So those are my thoughts on it.
All right, let's get a break. We'll get more from Jen Soto.